Hey guys, it's Alexandria here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing this Queen Naija inspired makeup look. What makes this a Queen Naija makeup look, you might ask? Well, she had this orange monochromatic look on her album cover that she released for her album that's coming out in the next couple of days. I might actually release this video on her album release date, but I wanted to replicate the look that she did for her album cover because I have literally never played an orange eyeshadow a day in my life. So I was like, why not give it a try? And I was inspired when I was scrolling through her Instagram feed. So if you're interested in checking out how I got this look, keep on watching. But yeah, so my phone might be old, but my nails are popping. So hey, you take what you can get. So yeah, I'm gonna try to recreate this orange monochromatic look for today's video. Keep on watching. All right, so I did my hair yesterday in these little twists, and I wanted to make sure my edges were laid before I got into this video. So I did that. You see the swoopage? You see it? Let's get started. I'm gonna start with the eyes. You know, a little something something. I'm gonna use some tape on the corners of my eyelids. I know where I stand. Da, 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 da. Funny enough, I have her song stuck in my head. Lie to me. Love me good and lie to me. So I'm going to start off by priming my lids with some concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. 16-hour camo concealer. My beauty sponge is too damp, but we can work with it. Today's video, I'm jumping back into the Color Board, Beauty Glaze Color Board. If you do not know about this palette, I reviewed it in my last video on my channel, or one of the last videos on my channel. And it's this super pigmented palette from Amazon. And it's only $16 and the pigment goes crazy, okay? Crazy. But anyway, so I'm going to be going into the oranges here, obviously, to achieve that look. I'm going to be using a combination of this kind of like standard orange color, I guess. Very standard orange. And then this little bit of a little bit lighter orange. When I was like looking at the picture, it really looks like there's not a whole lot going on with the eyeshadow, to be honest. So I'm going to take that middle orange shade, the True Orange. And then I'm going to zoom you guys in so you could see a little bit better what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm just going to take that and start defining my crease with this orange color. Right, so here's what it's looking like now. I just put that orange right into the crease and a little bit above it. But I think I need to get just a teensy tiny bit more depth. So I'm going to go into this color right here because it's an orange, but it's a little bit more of like a darker burnt orange. So I'm actually going to take this same brush and then kind of put that into directly in my crease. So that's what we got so far on the eyes. So I built out the crease. I deepened it a little bit. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into the lighter, like creamsicle looking orange and apply that all over my lid. So I'm going to take some concealer and stick that all over the lid first. And then put that shade on top. Somehow this is starting to look a teensy bit like a cut crease, and that was definitely not my intention. Okay, that should give the shadow a little something to stick on to. So I'm gonna go back into that light orange. I'm gonna lie, this low-key don't look like the picture. I just kind of started doing my own thing with the orange, but you gonna make it work. It's Queen Naija inspired, Alexandria influenced. Oh yes, I'm living for this lighter orange. Oh yes, ma'am. All right, now I'm gonna blend these back out with the brush I used earlier, and I'm going back into that true orange, and I'm just gonna swoop this, swoop, swoop, swoop. Eyes are done. I'm loving the orange. I have never done orange eyeshadow before. And I'm going into these two trusty, dusty Maybelline Fit Me 335 and 338. I'm using this Real Technique sponge. Next is concealer. I'm using these two. This one's from Juvia's Place in number 13, and this one is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Caramel. All right, I'm gonna set that with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm almost out. I need to figure out what my next powder is gonna be. I've been rocking with this Sasha Buttercup light, the light version for a minute, but kind of over it. I want to try something new. So if you have any recommendations, let your girl know. And I'm back, browser on, and so next I'm gonna get my lashes prepped. I'm using these new lashes that I just picked up at the beauty supply store. I don't have a whole lot of high hopes for them. I don't know, they look better at the store, or either I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, I'm using these lashes. They're from I Envy. So I'm gonna get my lashes prepped with my glue, and then I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face while they're drying. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Blush in the color 50 Wine. I'm using the LA Girl Volumatic Mascara. This mascara is actually like really good. Like, look at my lashes. They are popping. Alright, my lashes are still drying. I like to apply my highlighter after my lashes because I feel like it gives you like the last little oomph, or I don't know what I'm trying to say, but the last little oomph to your look. So, but my lashes aren't dry, so I'm just gonna go in with this Ofra palette, and this highlighter is so blinding, and I just put way too much on my brush. I'm gonna apply some on my nose. I could not find my contour palette, so I did not contour, even though I had planned on contouring this look, but I don't know where it is. Like, it's just like totally gone. Like, I tried to look for it while I was doing my eyebrows, and it's just gone. Like, I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to apply these lashes. Here, okay. Okay. Why is my highlight like blinding on this side, but just like basic on this side? What you're going to do is stay put where I put you. So now I'm gonna add, let me see if Queen had an inner corner highlight, because I don't know if she did. I can't tell if she has an inner corner highlight. Like, the picture is kind of from the side. Honestly, it doesn't really look like she has one. And like, I want one. One thing I did not do for this look is she definitely has shadow on her bottom lash line. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so for the lip, she has like a brownie lip. Kind of like a definite like fall vibe. This lip pencil is really dark, so I'm gonna go really lightly. It's super creamy too. This is just like a Sephora pencil, but so I did that. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty and Fenty Glow. I'm just putting that on top. Oh yes. And then I'm gonna take some eyeliner and just do a nice little swipe across. At this look and see if there's anything else I'm missing. It looks like she has like a very, very light brow highlight, like barely at all. So I'm gonna try to be light with this Ofra, which is like basically a dummy mission. Alright, now I gotta change into my orange shirt for the final look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I got my orange top on, my big hoop earrings, feeling very Queen Naija Missunderstood inspired. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, see you later, guys. Bye.